Hi guys, welcome back. So the other day I made lettuce wrap, and most people might be feeling they don't have strength or time for that. So I'll be showing you how to achieve the same thing without actually wrapping. So first you get your normal veg or ingredients you want to use. I'll be using the same thing I used for the lettuce wrap, which is cucumber, carrot. So after washing, cleaning, you dice your ingredients. You dice your cucumber and carrot. You can add onions to this, but it's actually not a must. So after dicing and prepping all your ingredients, all you need to do is you get a clean bowl or a clean plate or a clean container, and then you add the diced carrot or the diced veg, the diced cucumber, carrot, and everything you used to the container. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, please turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we post a new video. Let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. Let us know which of our sandwich recipes you've tried, and let us know your name and the country or state you're watching from so we can make a shout out to you. So now, like I said, you add the veg to a container, then you add your ketchup, tomato ketchup, and then you add bama to it, and then you mix very well. So by bama, I mean mayonnaise. You can use any mayonnaise of your choice. So I added spicy pepper. So yeah, you can try to add that. You can try to leave that out. I just wanted it spicy a bit, so that was why I added that. So now you get your bread, and for this one you don't need to roll the bread or make the bread flat. You just get the bread, and then you add bama to the, sorry, why do I keep saying bama? You just get the bread and you add mayonnaise to the bread and spread very well if you want. If not, you can just add just normal bread. You don't need to spread anything on top. If you want to spread something that is not mayonnaise, you can actually spread tomato ketchup, jam, or anything you actually feel like. Then now you spread your veg, your sliced cucumber, carrot, and everything. You spread it on top of the bread, and then you add your lettuce to it. So remember the last time we did lettuce wrap? Now we're doing just we're doing sandwich with lettuce. So you just add your lettuce to it. Then the other part of the bread, you can decide to add ketchup or whatever also, and then you cover, and that's just it. You keep doing that for the rest of the breads you want to do. So I'm just going to wrap this with my nylon foil, and I'm going to like keep it aside so that it will give me chance or space to do the other batch. So that is just how you do it, and it's just simple. It's nothing extra, just the simple. So you will get the same feeling, but you won't get as much lettuce as the lettuce wrap. So but it is still the same way we made the lettuce wrap. We made this one like the same recipe, just different method, but it was still everything we used for the lettuce wrap we used for this. So you can try this. Let me know how it tastes. Let me know if you liked it, and let me know what you think. Let me know if you want more of this. Let me know all of that in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll leave you to watch the rest of the videos. Please don't forget to check out our other videos. We have interesting videos. We have cooking videos. We have DIYs. We have vox pop. We have interesting videos. Actually, we have interesting contents on our channel, so please feel free to check them out and let us know what you think. And also feel free to make requests so that if it's something we can do, we would actually do it. If not, we'll let you know we can't, and would also attend to all comments in the comment section. Thank you for actually stopping by to open our channel. So yes, this is the end result. Do you prefer this to the lettuce wrap, or you prefer the lettuce wrap to this? Let me know which one you would go for if you were given the options, lettuce wrap or This, trust me, it is the same taste, the same ingredients, the same what's it called, everything, just different method. Have an amazing day. Bye.